After watching hundreds of reels on how to learn video editing, you are still watching these types of videos to learn video editing the right way and to become a pro editor. But you are stuck. But let me tell you this, after this video, you will not going to need to watch any another video. Because in this video, I'm going to tell you about 3 steps that will help you to start video editing the right way. And if you follow these steps, then you would become a good video editor in no time. Step 1. Choosing the right software. I know you have seen a lot of videos on how to choose best software, just like how to start video editing. But every other video you watch, a new creator pops up and start telling you about the pros and the cons of the software. But no one tells you which software to choose, which makes you even more confused. But let me tell you this, you cannot choose a best software because every other software has their pros and cons. Like you can use DaVinci Resolve to do better color grading. But on the other hand, you can choose Adobe softwares, which is going to make your workflow very easy. But with their pros, they also have cons. Like you can use DaVinci Resolve in free. But on the other hand, if you use Adobe, then you have to pay them a monthly subscription. So instead of choosing the best software, you should focus on one software and master it. And in the future, you can also shift to another software. Step 2. Learning the fundamentals. So after learning the basics of the software, now you should focus on learning the fundamentals of editing. Because after learning the fundamentals, you would be able to know that what type of editing your project need. You would be able to break down the edits, which will going to help you to understand and recreate it by taking inspiration, which will help you to build your creative thinking, which will lead to make your videos look more professional. Because fundamentals are the core. It is the core of your editing. It is the core of your storytelling. There are many aspects of fundamentals of editing, like there are fundamentals of color theory, fundamentals of designing principle, fundamental of pacing, and fundamental of storytelling. When we talk about the fundamentals of color theory, you need to learn that which color complement which color and which color create contrast with one another. There are many relationships aspect in color theory, like there are complementary colors, analogous colors, triadic colors, and many more. Complementary colors. These are the color opposite to each other on color wheel. For example, green and red. Analogous color. These are the colors which are adjacent to each other on color wheel. For example, orange and yellow. Fundamental of designing principle. In the fundamental of designing principle, you need to know which fonts looks good together and what are the colors that look good together, just like the color theory. Fundamental of pacing. Well, mainly there are 2 types of pacing. First is slow paced and second is fast paced. While slow-paced editing is used to create a connection with your audience, on the other hand, when we talk about fast-paced videos, these are mainly used to hold the attention of your audience. Step 3. Recreating. So now you know which software you are going to use. Now you know which software you are going to create your art on. And with that, you also know the fundamentals. The fundamentals of color theory, pacing, and designing principle, which is going to make your storytelling way more better. I know you have not become a master of storytelling, pacing, color theory or design principle, but at this time you will know what you are doing and why you are doing it, and now you won't be placing everything and anything in your composition. So after knowing all of this, now you are going to recreate the videos. You are going to recreate the videos that you like. It can be any type of videos. It can be from the creators you like or whom would you like to edit. They can be of any type. They can be talking head videos, motion graphic videos, or 3D space videos. And now you are going to recreate these videos. And if you get stuck on something and you don't know how to make this and that effect, then you are simply going to the Google and you are going to find the solution of it. And here you have it. Now you can make the type of videos you like.